I attempted to grow sweet potatoes in these grow bags. Let's see if we get any sweet potatoes. All right, so hubby is out here helping me see if we get any. Oh my gosh, look, 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 look. Sweet potatoes. Oh wait, maybe not. Hold on, let's see. Oh, that's my first sweet potato ever. Oh my gosh. Guys, we did it. We did it. We grew sweet potatoes in a bag. In a bag. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay, keep going, keep going. Sorry. I get a little bossy. Okay. For real? That's awesome. I know I put the slips in there, so I should expect the sweet potato, but root vegetables are so exciting. I can't explain it. Okay, here, let me move these out the way. Oh my goodness. Get the basket, get the basket. Let's put them in the basket. Oh my goodness. Yay. Do you think we should dump these or just root around?
I think just root around.
Okay. Oh, that's a little one. Oh man, see where he is, he's getting all the big ones. I must be doing something wrong. On this side, I'm just getting little stuff like this. Yo, we did it. Oh my gosh. I grew these slips in the house in the winter time and planted them out in the spring, late spring. I cannot believe this. I'm so excited right now. Can you believe this?
It's amazing. Simply amazing, especially starting from in the house.
Oh wait, I got one. Yay! Sorry, shaky camera. Sorry. Okay. I wonder what we can probably still eat those. I don't know.
I think so.
Anybody ever eaten these little sweet potato nugget looking things? We're gonna try. I don't see why they. Oh, I got one. Y'all, I cannot believe we grew sweet potatoes. These are 30-gallon grow bags, so they are large. This is amazing. I mean, I planted it expecting it to grow, but I'm still amazed. Is that weird? Anybody else get like that? Okay, so we're gonna try and harvest this bag. That third one, I'm gonna wait because I planted it considerably later. We're gonna harvest this bag and then we will see what the fruits of our labor are. All right, so that is what we had from this bag right here. We got quite a few larger ones. I think because the afternoon sun sets on this bag and it's a lot hotter, that afternoon sun where we live. And this is from the second bag. We did really, really well for two 30-gallon grow bags with Beauregard sweet potatoes. Happy growing.